Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be sharing a drugstore haul and review. Well, I used to call it that. Remember back in the day when I would do these videos, I would like buy stuff at the drugstore, I would try it out, and then I'd review it for you, even though it's not really a haul, but I still called it that. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today, and some of the stuff I bought at CVS, and then I recently got some PR from Pixi as well as Wet n Wild, I think. Yeah, and that is it. So let's get started. So I actually bought this at CVS. It is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I was like, people are talking about it way too much. Is it really worth the hype? I would say I've been using this like I've used it 3 times already, and I would say it's a pretty good mascara. It's buildable. If you let the mascara dry and then you just add on more, it lengthens it, it volumizes it. It's got a good scent to it, like a vanilla. But really, are you smelling your mascaras? Is that something you do? Like, you sniff it and then you put it on your eye? No. So it really doesn't need a scent, I think. But overall, I think this is a great mascara, but is it the mascara that I will reach for on a regular basis? No. I think it's a good one, but it's not like my favorite one. Like, the thing that's kind of missing with this mascara is that it doesn't separate as well as I would like. A lot of people say that it kind of creates like a clump free look. I don't feel like it does. I feel like it really doesn't, but I do like the intensity. I like how it does volumize and it does lengthen, and with time, like, and learning how to use it, it gets better and better, of course. And it's got like a different type of consistency. It's kind of like a mousse in a way, but overall, yes, but not my favorite. So that's all I gotta say about that. And then I tried the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I have it in 315 Deep Brown. So it's got the little spoolie, and then it's got the brow pencil, which is angled, just like the Benefit Goof Proof. If you guys have tried the Goof Proof, it's got like that angle. Well, a lot of eyebrow pencils have that angle nowadays. But that angle is pretty fantastic. It makes it easier to apply on. The color, in a way, it's kind of creamy when you apply it on. So it's really good color payoff. I like the creaminess of it because it's so easy to apply, because some eyebrow pencils, when you're putting it on, you kind of have to use a heavy hand to even like get it on your brows. This one is so easy. It's not like dry and difficult to use or chalky feeling. It's just so... This is my favorite drugstore eyebrow pencil. It's so good, you guys. And it's got a spoolie. The spoolie is like a little circle, and it helps like distribute the color, you know, so that it doesn't look too heavy. I love this. I feel like in a way it's the dupe for Goof Proof in a way. I just love it. I like it more than the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I've been all about that e.l.f. one, but I feel like this is even better. It does cost way more than the e.l.f. one, but not that much more, and it's drugstore. And then, you know, CVS, I just recently got an $11 extra bucks, so with my coupons, goodness, it's gonna be it's gonna be a steal when I buy stuff, you know what I mean? This I bought again at CVS. I buy a lot of my drugstore products at Target or CVS. So this, the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach 1205. Whew, I heard about it through Kathleen Lights, and I have not put it down yet. Like, every time I do my makeup, I put it on. Like, at first I was like, am I too tan for it? Because Kathleen, she has very light skin, and I'm like, my skin color is not the same as hers. I'm not sure how it would go on me, but I kept putting it on, and I'm like, wow, I love how natural it looks. There's no smell to it. But I just, everything she talks about in her favorites, trust her opinion, because they all work so well. Everything she talks about, I have loved. Her blush recommendations the most, like, I have loved, and this is one of them. I want to get the pink one, but I think the pink one was sold out, or I don't know why I chose the peach, but I love peach ones. And I just think that it just goes well with a lot of different looks. Like, it's just that natural look, but at the same time, you can still see it. Like, I don't know. It's like you're wearing bronzer and blush at the same time. I don't even know where I'm getting, but it's just such a good color, you guys. I love it. And let's see. Oh, I bought this also at CVS. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation SPF 15. And it comes with the little puff to apply it on. And I have tried this once. I tried it once the whole day. It oxidizes, so it gets a little darker than the color that you purchase, you know, when you put it on. You know, I don't know what it is. Okay, the gardeners came, so now it's going to be a little loud. Sorry, you guys. When I put it on, I felt like the color was spot on. And then throughout the day, I noticed that my skin was starting to look a little, I don't know how to describe it, a little orange. Maybe this is just not the correct shade, but that's how I felt. Like it was starting to look a little more orange. And later, I would look at my face and it would look a little grayish. I don't know if there's like a gray, I don't know, like I just couldn't figure it out, but it went on very natural. It is buildable. It's definitely a moisturizing type of foundation. So if you have oily skin like me, you're going to want to set with a lot of powder. Even when I set with a lot of powder, I felt like my skin still got really oily, and it felt like I can't describe it, but like really slick on my face. So this definitely is not the best foundation for my oily skin. And also because of the fact that my body's just going through a lot of changes. I'm like 9 months postpartum. I've noticed some days my skin is extra oily. I've been breaking out. So a lot has to do with me and not just the foundation itself, but you know, my hormones and my oiliness and all that jazz. But definitely not my favorite foundation, if I'm being completely honest. It's not something that I would reach for. Like I tried it once and then I was like, it's not something I'm reaching for the next day, you know? And then I actually got these guys from Wet n Wild. This is PR. It's one of their new releases. It's the Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eye Shadows. So I've swatched them and everything, and I would say Shells and Whistles is stunning. It goes on beautiful. The color goes on evenly. Just love it. But then when I went ahead and I tried the purple one, which is When Stars Align, and the green one, Emerald Gaze, I felt like the colors did not distribute evenly, even when I swatched it. Like, I could just see, like, it just doesn't go on smooth and evenly. And I just thought that was really interesting. But of course, like darker colors, it takes more effort to actually see it. And that's what I noticed with like lip colors too. Like darker colors sometimes are harder for it to look even. And you guys know I don't consider myself like a beauty guru, because let's face it, I don't do enough makeup videos to claim that. But from kind of like a beginner's, someone that doesn't really do too much with makeup, I noticed that the gold one worked well, but the other colors, like the darker ones, it didn't. And then I got this from CVS, of course, CVS. Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. So this color, it is 500 Cashmere Cream. The thing is with me is I love a nude. Every time I see a nude, I want it. I want to buy it, so I end up buying it. But then, you know how nudes are so hard? You know, it's so hard to find the nude for you. Overall, this color just, it looked like I put powdered sugar on my lips or something like that. The color just didn't look right. But if I'm just talking about the formula and how it felt on my lips, I felt like in a way there was something going on, like maybe like a tingling sensation or something, which I think, yeah, because it's plumping and usually there's tingling with plumping. But it was very moisturizing, but this color just was not for me. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. But here's the thing. I bought this Revlon lip gloss a long time ago. Like, I'm almost out. I just never talked about it in a video. But it looks so similar to this nude, right? But this is supposed to go on clear or like sheer. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss. And this color is everything. Like, I love this color. This color, it's so moisturizing. The color is beautiful. It looks amazing on lipstick, liquid lipsticks, by itself with lip liner. It just looks amazing. But this, I don't know, the color just was not working for me. And then this I actually got from Wet n Wild PR. This is their new Color Icon Rainbow Highlighter, Bronze Over the Rainbow, and I love it. Like, I feel like Wet n Wild has done an amazing job with their highlighters. If you guys have noticed, like, they do so well with their highlighters. There was another one that I really loved. I can't remember the name, but I love their highlighters. And the little rainbow highlighter, I just, swirl my little fan brush all over it, and then I put it on, and you can't go wrong with some gold copper shimmers. Like, it's not chalky or anything. It's just, they did a good job. They did a great job with that. This is a Neutrogena concealer from CVS, and this is their Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer with hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid, am I saying it correctly? It's supposed to provide moisture, and this is a very moisturizing concealer, and it's very easy to apply. You can use your fingers to blend, you can use your beauty blender to blend, but I am definitely going to be traveling with this. I really like this concealer. The one that I have is light medium 30. I think the packaging is really nice and sleek. It's very easy to travel with because it's a stick. There's something about sticks. And also, even though my skin is oily, I have like dry underneath my eye. Maybe it's because of my age or whatever, but it's getting dry down there. And when you look for a concealer, you don't want a concealer that creases or that's super dry underneath the eye area, especially if you're getting wrinkles around there. So I feel like this is really great for those who are in their 30s. I'm 32, and the under eye area needs some love, and I feel like this gives it a good amount of moisture that I need, and it doesn't crease, which is very important to me. And then I got two more things to share. So these are the Pixi by Petra. This was actually PR, thank you. And these are the Matte Last Liquid Lips. It's so funny because when I first looked at it, the shade that I was going for was Au Naturel, and it was like the one that looked the most like nude beige. I don't know, I always gravitate towards that, and then when I put it on, I'm like, girl, what are you doing? So that's how I felt with this. This is the Au Naturel shade. I did not like the shade on me. It just doesn't look great on my skin tone. But then I tried the Evening Rose, and the Evening Rose looks really great. And I'm not, let me be honest, I'm not a fan of liquid lipsticks. I just feel like they're drying on the lips. I just don't seem to like them very much. But when I put this on, it felt very comfortable. But not forever. Like, it's not those like lip scents that stay on your lips forever and it doesn't smudge off. But this is pretty good for a liquid lip color because I don't like them very much. But I actually felt that it was comfortable to wear. Honestly, I felt like, I don't know what they put in here, but I felt like it wasn't drying. It was moisturizing when you first put it on your lips. You don't see like all the little lines. I have crusty lips, but I felt like I didn't see all that, and that it went on so evenly, and it didn't feel uncomfortable is what I'm trying to say. Like, it felt good putting it on. So I would definitely recommend these. I would definitely recommend you try different colors to see which works for you, because what it looks like in packaging will not look like on your lips. Like this I thought was going to be too dark, but when I put it on my lips, it looked perfect. Like it was like your lips but better color, the Evening Rose one. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a while since I've done these drugstore haul and reviews. I gotta work on it a little bit more, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless, and I plan to do more, so let me know what you guys want me to review in my future drugstore haul and review videos. This is so fun. I'm so happy I'm doing this again. Anyways, friends, thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!